Chapter 4. Uses of the computer. Computers in daily life. Computers are important as they are now used everywhere. You can see them at many places. They are also found inside many gadgets, which we cannot see from outside. At many places like airports, banks, offices, and schools, you can see people working on computers. Computer chips are also inside latest high-tech gadgets like cameras, automatic washing machines, mobile phones, and modern cars. The computer chips, which one cannot see as they are inside the gadgets, are called embedded computers. Let us learn about the usages of computers at various places. In computer animation. These days, every movie or cartoon show is using computer animation and special effects done by computers. Computer graphics are pictures which are created on a computer. Paint, CorelDRAW, and Illustrator are examples of such programs. Computer animation is the art of creating illusions of moving images via the use of computers. Flash, 3D Studio Max are some popular animation programs. All the unreal objects like spaceships, dinosaurs, space scenes, cartoons are created and animated using computers. Fact file. Animation is the illusionary effect of movement which is created by displaying a series of pictures quickly. Each picture slightly differs from the previous one, and when displayed in quick succession, it seems as if the characters in them are moving. In aviation. Aviation refers to flying using aircrafts. Computers are used to design airplanes. They are also used to ensure that the aeroplanes reach their destinations safely and on time. A device named an autopilot could hold a plane on a specific route even when the pilot is not operating the controls. Computers-assisted hair styling. Computerized hairstyle imaging technology enables you to see what you would look like in any hairstyle, hair color without getting the actual haircut or style. 1. Using a high-tech digital camera, a picture of the person is taken and entered in the computer. 2. The computer then superimposes hundreds of different hairstyles onto that picture. You can therefore see the results in advance without actually getting the haircut and then decide which hairstyle you want. In sports, there are many applications of computer in sports. One of the most common uses of controlling the giant scoreboard screens. You must have seen that during sports matches, there are huge scoreboards on large screens. These scoreboards are controlled by a group of computers. They also help to manufacture safety equipments like helmet for the safety of the player. Inside cars. These days, there are many microprocessors present in the engines of modern cars. These processors help us to create better cars which are safe, convenient, comfortable, and more fuel efficient. Chip inside me is keeping the emissions under control. There is at least one chip which is in charge of monitoring the engine emissions and for adjusting the engine to keep the emissions as low as possible. The computer can also sense when something has gone wrong and can inform the driver with the check engine light. Cars are capable of managing voice response commands. Cars have better and smarter navigation system. They are able to find and consider alternative routes. Quick quiz. name the illusionary effect of movement which is created by displaying a series of pictures quickly. Checkpoint. Do the following activity. 2 students should stand up to do this act. One should act as a hairdresser who uses a computer for hairstyling. The other should act as a customer who has come to get his or her haircut. The hairdresser should ask her or him about the requirement. Take his or her picture from an imaginary digital camera. Apply the various styles on the picture in the computer, and the customer should select the one that they want. Latest trends. The Adidas company has created the world's first smart shoe, which has an embedded computer chip that controls the shoe to adapt its cushioning level to a runner's comfort. When the runner is walking on a hard surface, its cushioning automatically increases. When he's walking on some soft surface like on grass or in a garden, its cushioning automatically decreases. Revision time. The computer chips, which you cannot see as they are inside the gadgets, are called as embedded computers. Embedded computers are present in the latest high-tech mobiles, digital cameras, automatic washing and sewing machines, and modern cars. These days, there are many microprocessors present in the engines of modern cars. These processors help us to create better cars which are safe, convenient, comfortable, and more fuel efficient. Computer animation is the art of creating any illusion and effect of moving images via the use of computers. A device named an autopilot can hold a plane on a specific route even when the pilot is not operating its controls. Computerized hairstyle imaging technology enables you to see what you would look like in any hairstyle, hair color on the computer without getting the actual makeover. In sports, one of the most common use of computer is controlling the giant scoreboard screens.